Alright, this video is just to show how to get data from ArcMap into ArcGIS Online for display and story maps or interactive web maps. Starting here with just a simple points file, and one of the things I recommend for folks is to kind of get it set up how you want it before you ship it into ArcGIS Online. So if there's any final edits that need to be made, yes, symbology, that sort of thing. Um, for example, if you need to move or add a point, any of those things, now is the time to do that. Symbology wise too, you can certainly change things online, but I found it easier to set up your colors and that sort of thing uh, in ArcMap. So in this case we will just change the symbology to reflect the year of all these projects. And you're going to want to make sure you save your project and sign in if you haven't. Once you're signed in, you'll be sharing a service, and just because I do a fair amount of publishing, sometimes I like to name my services after the date so I don't lose track. You'll have to walk through the different options here. You can allow that point file to be edited. You'll need a description, tags. In this case, we'll share with everybody. I typically hit analyze to see if there's any issues. Anything medium or low is generally not an issue on my end, so hit publish. Shouldn't take too long, depends on the size of the file. So then in ArcGIS Online, when you log in at first, it's going to take you to the organization page. You flip over to content. I have mine sorted by the date modified, so we have this layer that we just did, TSA projects. It also creates a service definition. So we can do a couple things. You can click on that new layer and open in a new map. It's going to use kind of one of the standard base maps which you can change. You can also rename it. And there you see it's all symbolized for you already. Now, like I said, you can change it, change the style, kind of go into the different colors. You can also set the transparency of the layer and the visibility. But yeah, make sure you save your map. And then share it with others. The other option, of course, you can open an existing map and add the layer to it. So often this might be helpful if you already, let's say you do this every year and you're updating the content for this year. You can search for layers, add that new one, and either remove the old one or adjust as needed. So that's a simple 1-2 on how to add data from ArcMap into ArcGIS Online.